Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Y'all come on in and make yourself comfortable. Today we're going to do a shop update. Talk about what we've been doing, talking about what we're going to plan to do, and just give you guys an overall update on what's going on in the shop. June was a pretty good month. I took vacation, so I was out a week, but I was still able to get 8 videos uploaded. The results were pretty great. I keep asking you folks, please comment. Please like, subscribe to the videos. So I just want to give you guys an update and let you know what happened during the month of June. I am super stoked and I just really appreciate every one of you watching. I appreciate all the likes, the comments, and just thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. During the month of June, like I said, we uploaded 8 videos. We had over 80 comments from viewers, 327 likes, and 103 new subscribers just in the month of June. So folks, I'm asking and you guys are replying, and thank you so very much again. I've got one more favor to ask you. If you don't mind, go ahead and share those videos too so more people get to see them. I really appreciate that, and hopefully we help out another turner out there somewhere with something that may solve a problem for them or motivate them to get back out in their shop and get to turning, okay? So the last couple of videos that I've uploaded, the last one since the last shop update, was the Spurtle. Really great feedback on that. Just want to thank everybody for watching that one. And then we uploaded a wand video. And again, so some great feedback and a lot of people watching it and subscribing to the channel. Just I am humbled by all of the response that I'm getting from the videos, and I can't thank you folks enough. So what's going to be coming up in the near future? I mentioned a passive speaker for a cell phone. Well, I've redesigned that thing about 5 times. I have not turned it yet, so it will be upcoming. I'm not going to say that it's going to be this week. I had a real simple design, and that was going to be, just come in, do a video, and get it up and gone and on there so you folks could see it. And the more I think about it, the more I look at it, the more complex it gets. So we will have a passive speaker eventually. I'm not sure if it'll be the design I have in mind right now or if I change it again before we get it done. So that will be coming in the future. This week, I will be doing some napkin rings. That's just a really neat little project. Again, it's a skill builder. Again, it's something that will sell. And you don't have to go out and spend a whole lot of money on materials to make it. I have made them from just simple limbs, and I have made them from, we'll just call it store-bought lumber, okay? Literally, it's one of those things that can be a skill builder for you and get you back out in the shop, and it's something people love. One other request I've had from a couple of family members is candlesticks. So I'm going to be making some candlesticks for a couple of family members, and I'll go ahead and video that and get that video up and share it with you folks as well. Now, one thing that you guys may notice, I'm wearing a new smock. So halfway in the middle of my vacation was my birthday, which just happens to be on the same day as my anniversary, June 9th. That's one of the reasons I took vacation. I wanted to be able to take the wife and spend some time with her and us go do a few things. 30 years she's been putting up with me. She deserves something, right? I'm sure most of you guys will agree. As aside from that, I got a new smock, and I had complained quite a bit because when you hold up wood in front of a tan smock, here's the old one, and this is got a redder color to it, so it does show up pretty good in front of that. But some of the lighter materials just don't show up. By the way, this is the Spurtle that we turned and uploaded here just a week or so ago. I'll show you those side by side. That's the wand and that's the Spurtle, and we just did those videos, was that last week? Great responses on those. Thanks, folks. One other thing, I did a couple of tip videos, and I haven't done one in a while, and I've had a few folks ask, are you gonna do any more tips videos? So yes, this week I will do a tips video. I will show you a simple way out of very inexpensive material you can make a center finder for finding the center of bowls and odd shaped things that you may be wanting to turn on your lathe. So you can expect that to come out probably Wednesday. I think that'll be something that'll interest a lot of you. Again, it's real cheap, it's easy to make, and I use mine constantly. I cannot say enough about how much I appreciate all of you watching. It seems like just the other day I was looking at less than 200 subscribers, wondering if anybody would ever watch the channel. And then just a few weeks ago, we celebrated 500 subscribers, and when I looked this morning, there's 850. So thank you, folks. Thank you for watching. And if you've got any ideas of things you'd like to see, please put that in the comment. Again, so many comments, so many likes, so many subscribers. I can't thank all of y'all enough. All I can do is to ask you to just keep on liking, commenting, and subscribing. And do me that one more favor, if you don't mind. Go ahead and share the videos so more people will be able to see what we're doing. Thanks, folks. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.